Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis X tutorial how to make text cube. So you can create text by using this text tool. I will add like Mufasu cat. Now you can resize the text objects. Click OK to apply. You can move into the center point. After it, I will create for the new layer, and then we can choose this layer. So I will use the brush tools and then click this option, choose the rules into the cube. I will use add circular rule. Okay, in here. So we have the circular rules, and we create like from this point into here. Another I will create from this point into here. Okay. After it, select the text object, and then we can use the transform tools. Okay, you can use the mesh form. I will set for the division x into 1, and then division y into 2. So you can move like from this point into here, move again into this point. After it, move to the top, and again move into here. The next in here, move again into this point. So after it, you can change again for the division Y. I will add 5, 7, and you can edit again the points into the cube one by one. Okay, and in another side. Okay, very easy to editing the points in this mesh editing. And we create again, so you can add more division like this into 10 for the maximum. And we can move into here to edit the text objects. Make sure you edit in the cube. Okay. And if you're done, you can click this icon. Click yes to rasterize. Now you can go back into the layer, and then you can hide this rule option. You also can hide by clicking at this option and then click off. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis X tutorial, how to make text cube. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.